So most mechanical float machines are done with a gas motor or just attached to a water system in a house, a garage. But we in the country don't have that. So we used a gas motor for years, but we've switched to a high flow bilge pump, which is quite exciting because it's quiet. We charge it with solar panels and we don't use gasoline. And from the calculations of the information, the gallons per hour that you see written on the side of this, we think it's roughly 3 horsepower, so that it's quite close to the pump, the motorized pump that you've also seen in this video. So this goes into the water and pushes out, it is the actual pump, and it pushes out you attach the fire hose to this and the water comes gushing out. The water comes in here, gets sucked in here, and gets pushed out here, and these wires, of course, attach to the alligator clips that attach to the, in this case, car battery that we charge and recharge with our solar panels. And you can see we've just put one of the chiffons over it to kind of keep the valves from clogging up in our pond, and then we attach it to a bucket, so we can sort of have it sitting in the bucket in the pond so it's not sitting amongst the muck. And then we can pull it in and out by a string that we attach to the side of the hill. The actual energy source is attached, comes through these 2 wires that are then, when we start up, attached to our charged battery that is being charged by solar panels, which you will see later on in this video. To set this up, the team attaches our fire hose that used to attach to the gas motor, and now it attaches to our bilge pump, cleverly created by many different attachments, and that's what we are going to do next. So here we are setting up the actual mechanized part of the float system, the bilge pump, which we displayed earlier. It's in that bucket, and the fire hose is now being attached to the system by Limber Choquehuanca, who is the maestro for us this year in our float system here in Chiripa, Bolivia. He's going to attach it to the tank, as you can see here, at one end, and then attach the fire hose to the bilge pump at the other end and put that in the water. Now we're going to show you the start of floating, where we've got everything set up, and we're going to attach the 2 cables to our charged battery, which immediately initiates, you can see the water initiating and going straight to the machine, filling up and going round from being flat, and you can hear it shooting out in the machine as it fills up, ready to float. Beginning to get up to this, so we don't need this anymore. See? We're now reached the shower head, as we call it, and now that's just within the water, so it's just going to circulate. So when this is totally full, you can see how the water is constantly circulating, and we're hoping to help the material go from here out the mouth, out the boca. So once this is full, we'll add a float. We'll add a sample to it.